Osaga we mi no ane osuri yo no bago for yo. Esunu. Osaga we mi no ane osuri yo no do mwabia. Iwa feno sayani ma osuri mi oba.
Yes. Another matter don't set. Another matter don't happen. I just dey happy. I just dey jollificate. You know why? Now queen they born today. A queen was born today. See, Oga Big Life is like, don't give me money for today. Everywhere go. The girl, I just dey happy.
It's my mama birthday.
Who be the person?
Mrs. Ace Ihato.
A very favorite wife, a very sexy wife, a very beautiful wife to Nero Daku production. Yes, now Nero Ihato, and I wife they do birthday today.
Mama Eniboku.
Ìyàwó Tony Nero Ihato.
Alpha is. And the way you take fine, I'm not going to understand you. Now, sham you take carry my brother. I've been a beauty. As I say, I saw now beauty. You too fine. I beg you too fine.
I wish you long life and prosperity. More years to your years, more plus.
Till you confirm for this life, God will grant her for you. All your heart desire, God will grant her for you.
Continue to volley grace. Saving your little boy odds then win. New age bring progress to yourself and your family.
For this, don't let you know what to do. I want flesh. Oh, that's what it is. Nero Daku production. On behalf of Nero Daku production, we say happy birthday, Eris Ihato. Mwah!
Ijewe. Ite wa meme obo ti wa kwa meri na. So pon o mem na miamia. O no na ise ti miamia. Is the girl wish you happy birthday now. Happy birthday, Eris Ihato. Long life and prosperity. If not more we yo go kan yeye. The one no way to wish you happy birthday now. You know a Nero Daku production or that one or when to wish you happy birthday now. Once again, happy birthday, long life and prosperity. In Jesus' name.
Mama,